BMW Motor Home, a luxurious fusion of German engineering, modern technology, and adventure, eddy design. The 2026 BMW Motor Home represents a bold step for the brand, bringing BMW premium performance and iconic styling into the luxury RV segment. From the outside, the motorhome captures immediate attention with its aerodynamic silhouette, kidney grillance, fired front fascia, laser headlights, and sculpted body lines that pay tribute to BMW design language. Large alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents give it a refined, sporty stance, while high-strength composite panels offer lightweight durability for long-distance touring. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW Motor Home is powered by a hybrid, electric drivetrain based on the brand's latest I-performance architecture. The combination of a turbocharged inline-six engine and dual electric motors provides seamless torque delivery and silent cruising. It offers selectable driving modes including Comfort, Eco Pro, and Sport Plus, making it suitable for every kind of road trip, whether in the city or on rugged terrain. Paired with adaptive air suspension and intelligent all-wheel drive, it delivers smooth handling and excellent stability on highways and mountain passes alike. Inside, the BMW Motor Home offers a first-class travel experience. The cabin features minimalist luxury with ambient lighting, high-end wood and leather finishes, and expansive digital displays that control everything from navigation to entertainment. The cockpit mirrors a BMW luxury sedan with a curved OLED driver display and a central touchscreen infused with iDrive 9.0 software. Voice command, gesture controls, and 5G connectivity ensure convenience on the go. The living space is equally impressive, designed to accommodate 4 adults in comfort. The lounge includes 2 reclining sofas that convert into beds, a hidden 55-inch smart TV, and a Harman Kardon surround sound system. The kitchen is equipped with a convection stove, smart fridge, microwave, and built-in coffee system. The dining 26 Toyota Motor Home, a perfect blend of Japanese engineering, modern design, and innovative technology crafted for adventure lovers. The 2026 Toyota Motor Home is designed for travelers who demand comfort, reliability, and performance on the road. From the exterior, it carries Toyota's modern design DNA, featuring sleek aerodynamic lines, a bold grille, LED matrix headlights, and a reinforced lightweight chassis built for both durability and fuel efficiency. Built on a robust frame, this motorhome offers a smooth ride on highways and rugged terrain alike, making it ideal for both urban and off-grid exploration. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Motor Home is powered by a hybrid, electric drivetrain combining a 2.5L Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors. This setup ensures impressive torque and acceleration while maximizing fuel economy, a crucial benefit for long-distance travelers. The intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension provide stability, control, and comfort across a variety of road conditions. It also features regenerative braking and multiple driving modes, including Eco, Normal, and Power to suit different driving needs. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of luxury, space, and smart design. The driver's cockpit is equipped with Toyota's latest infotainment system, featuring a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation, and voice command functionality. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and a head-up display enhances safety by keeping essential information within the driver's line of sight. The living area is equally impressive, offering seating for 5 and sleeping accommodations for up to 4. High-quality materials like vegan leather upholstery, bamboo accents, and soft LED ambient lighting create a cozy, premium atmosphere. The motorhome includes a convertible lounge area with a dining table, a fully equipped kitchenette with a microwave, induction cooktop, refrigerator, and a sink with filtered water system. The rear 2026 Bentley Continental Motor Home, a true fusion of elegance, power, and opulent travel design. The 2026 Bentley Continental Motor Home is unlike anything else on the road. Taking inspiration from Bentley's signature craftsmanship, this motorhome blends high-performance engineering with ultra-luxurious living. On the exterior, it boasts a long, sculpted silhouette finished in deep metallic shades, accented with Mulliner exclusive chrome detailing and LED matrix lighting. The signature Bentley grille and Flying B mascot immediately communicate prestige, while the aerodynamic lines and alloy wheels provide a commanding presence. Under the hood, the Bentley Motorhome is powered by a 6.0-liter W12 engine producing over 650 horsepower, paired with a smooth 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. This powertrain offers remarkable acceleration for a motorhome and ensures a comfortable, composed ride on highways and long-distance routes. With all-wheel drive and adaptive air suspension, it handles corners and uneven terrain with a level of grace unmatched in its class. The cabin is a masterclass in luxury travel. The front cockpit is fully digital, offering a wide touchscreen interface, voice command controls, navigation, and a premium surround sound system. Leather, apt steering, quilted leather seats, and real wood accents highlight the impeccable attention to detail Bentley is known for. The rear of the motorhome transforms into a 5-star mobile suite. It includes a private lounge with recliners, a wall-mounted OLED screen, hidden minibar, and surround lighting that adapts to mood and time of day. The kitchen features solid stone countertops, custom cabinetry, and high-end appliances including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and concealed freezer units. Moving further inside, a private bedroom provides a full-size luxury mattress, ambient lighting, retractable TV, and underbed storage. The spa-inspired bathroom includes a rainfall shower, heated mirrors, touchless fixtures, and marble detailing that adds a touch of elegance rarely seen in a mobile platform. Technology integration is seamless throughout the 2026 Bentley Continental Motor Home. It includes biometric entry, climate zoning for different sections, Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, and satellite-based connectivity for smart features. The roof is fitted with solar panels supporting lithium-ion battery backup, ensuring off-grid comfort with minimal environmental impact. This Bentley Motorhome isn't just for travel, it's a statement of lifestyle, crafted for those who demand the very best even on the move. Whether parked at a private retreat or cruising along coastal highways, the 2026 Bentley Continental Motor Home offers a refined escape from the ordinary. 26 Bugatti Motor Home, a groundbreaking fusion of hypercar DNA and next-level travel luxury. The 2026 Bugatti Motor Home is not just a vehicle. It's a symbol of ultimate prestige and cutting-edge automotive engineering. Drawing inspiration from the sleek and aggressive styling of the Bugatti Chiron, this motorhome boasts a futuristic, aerodynamic exterior, sculpted for both presence and performance. The signature horseshoe grille, adaptive LED lighting, carbon fiber accents, and turbine-style alloy wheels give it a dynamic stance that commands attention wherever it goes. Underneath the sleek shell lies a powerhouse that redefines expectations for motorhome performance. Powered by a modified quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine similar to Bugatti's hypercars, it delivers over 200 horsepower, making it the most powerful luxury motorhome ever built. This incredible performance allows the Bugatti Motorhome to accelerate faster than most sports cars while maintaining rock-solid stability and control. Thanks to an active suspension system and intelligent all-wheel drive. Step inside and you enter a world of unparalleled opulence. The cockpit features a digital curved display with haptic feedback, customizable driving modes, and a Bugatti exclusive interface that blends luxury with high-tech sophistication. The pilot and co-pilot seats are crafted from hand, stitched leather and Alcantara, offering both ventilation and massage functions for long-haul comfort. The main cabin transforms into a luxury suite on wheels. There's a plush lounge with smart glass windows that can shift from transparent to tinted at the touch of a button. A 75-inch OLED screen retracts into the wall when not in use, paired with a premium 3D surround sound system. The kitchen area is fitted with titanium-trimmed appliances, quartz countertops, a hidden fridge, and voice-controlled systems for lighting, climate, and security. The master bedroom includes a king-size floating bed with underlighting, overhead star map LED, and a personal entertainment console. The bathroom is finished in marble and brushed aluminum, featuring a rainfall. 3 BYD Motor Home. Kicking off our list is the futuristic BYD Motor Home. Known for leading the electric revolution, BYD brings that same innovation to the world of motorhomes, delivering a fully electric luxury experience on wheels. From the outside, it features a sleek aerodynamic body, LED signature lighting, and solar panel integration that makes it ideal for off-grid adventures. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie and drives like it too. Step inside, and it's a smart living dream. You get AI-powered voice controls, convertible modular furniture, panoramic windows, and a clean, modern interior design. Everything is controlled via a centralized touchscreen interface from climate to lighting to entertainment. Performance-wise, it boasts over 300 miles of electric range, fast charging capabilities, and regenerative braking for added efficiency. The BYD Motor Home is perfect for those who want to combine sustainability with high-end comfort. No to Mercedes-Benz Motor Home. Next up is a name that speaks for itself, the Mercedes-Benz Motor Home. Synonymous with luxury and performance, this rolling masterpiece brings German precision to long-distance travel like never before. The exterior is stunning with its bold grille, dynamic body lines, LED matrix headlights, and retractable awnings. It's not just a motorhome, it's a luxury yacht on wheels. Inside, it's all about comfort and class. You'll find reclining leather seats, ambient lighting, a state-of-the-art kitchen, climates, owned interiors, and even a compact spa-like shower. Every inch reflects Mercedes' obsession with perfection. Under the hood, it features a powerful diesel hybrid engine for better fuel economy and smooth performance. Safety and ride quality are top-notch, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and air suspension for a cloud-like ride. The Mercedes-Benz Motor Home is perfect for travelers who expect elegance and reliability on every mile. Rolls-Royce Motor Home, and finally taking the number 1 spot is the king of automotive luxury, the Rolls-Royce Motor Home. Yes, Rolls-Royce has entered the motorhome arena, and as expected, it's pure royalty on wheels. From the outside, it commands attention, a handcrafted metallic body, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, and floating RR wheel caps that never spin out of place. The entrance is fully automated, and every detail shouts prestige. But the real magic happens inside. Think marble floors, real crystal lighting, gold-trimmed switches, and a built-in home theater system. The furniture, bespoke, handcrafted, and built for royalty. The ceilings are star-lit. The walls, custom-textured panels with noise cancellation built in. Powering this palace is a refined hybrid engine with terrain sensing AI, smart leveling suspension, and near-silent operation. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. The Rolls-Royce Motor Home is made for those who want the absolute best, no matter the price. So there you have it, the top 3 luxury motorhomes that are turning every road trip into a 5-star experience. Which one would you choose for your dream journey? Let us know in the comments. And if you love luxury vehicles as much as we do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe where automotive excellence meets lifestyle inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.